Nnamdi Kanu accepts former Attorney General Agabi as new lead counsel. The wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB), Uchechi Kanu, yesterday said her husband has accepted two-time Attorney General and Minister of Justice in Nigeria, Chief Kanu Agabi San, as the new lead counsel in his case with the federal government. Kanu's wife said that her husband did not only accept Chief Agabi as his lead counsel, but also accepted the need for the Senior Advocate of Nigeria to address the Court of Justice James Omotosho on what transpired at Justice Binta Nyako's court that shook the foundation of the Nigerian judiciary. In a statement personally signed by Uchechi, the IPOB leader's wife, and made available to Vanguard by IPOB's media and publicity secretary, Emma Powerful, she said Chief Agabi, stepping into Mazi's Kanu brief, acted to smooth the ruffled feathers in some segments of the bar and bench, caused by his legitimate anger-fueled outburst against Justice Binta Nyako's court that led to her recusal. Uchechi Kanu's statement read, "In the court today, my husband, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, accepted the need for Chief Kanu Agabi San, the new lead counsel in his case with Federal Government of Nigeria, to address the Court of Justice James Omotosho on what transpired at Binta Nyako's court that shook the foundations of the Nigerian judiciary." These clarifications were duly delivered by Chief Kanu Agabi San, a towering figure, twice Attorney General, twice Minister of Justice, and a former senator. Chief Agabi, stepping into Onyendu's brief, acted to smooth the ruffled feathers in some segments of the bar and bench, caused by his legitimate anger-fueled outburst against Justice Binta Nyako's court that led to her recusal. Chief Kanu Agabi's stature demanded it. He couldn't represent Onyendu without restoring decorum acceptable to the Abuja bench in particular and the judiciary in general. Remarkably, Justice James Omotosho, presiding, also apologized to Onyendu for the prolonged delay and mishandling of his trial over the years, acknowledging his ordeal at the hands of the Federal High Court, Abuja. Chief Agabi's move was strategic, balancing Onyendu's fury with court dignity. I suggest we read the full text of the statement before commenting. Chief Agabi spoke in his own personal capacity and in his vision for an amicable resolution, dialogue, and peaceful coexistence. It is not rocket science. Since this information was made available to the public, we have been receiving so many questions, but I'll be answering a few of them right now. The first question that was asked is, who is Kanu Agabi? The answer: Kanu Agabi is a former Attorney General and Minister of Justice in Nigeria and a Senior Advocate of Nigeria. The next is, why was Agabi appointed as Kanu's new lead counsel? Agabi's appointment is seen as a strategic move to balance Kanu's fury with court dignity. The third question, who did Agabi replace as Kanu's lead counsel? Aganu replaced Mike Ozekome as Kanu's lead counsel. The fourth question is, what does this mean for Kanu's case? Yes, the appointment of a new lead counsel may bring a fresh perspective to Kanu's case, but it's unclear how this will impact the outcome. In general, this development adds a new layer to Kanu's ongoing case, and it will be interesting to see how Agabi's expertise influences these proceedings. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.